everyone, I am Roshni and you're watching Property Cloud. Today we are going to talk about an ultra luxury high-rise residential project which is located in one of the Hyderabad's most premium micro-market, Neopolis Kokapet. The project is called Satwa Lake Ridge. In this video, we will talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Satwa Lake Ridge is an ultra-luxury high-rise residential development located in the heart of Neopolis Kokapet, one of the Hyderabad's most elite HMDA-approved township. The project features total iconic ground plus 37-floor high-rise towers with a beautiful lake-facing view, offering a perfect blend of modern luxury and peaceful waterfront living. There are only 2 apartments per floor, which means residents get a much more private and exclusive living experience. Every residence also comes with a private elevator access, adding to the overall luxury and convenience. The entire development is designed for buyers who want a luxurious lifestyle with a spacious home, privacy, and a global standard luxury experience. Talking about the location and connectivity, so the Satwa Lake Ridge enjoys a strategic location in Neopolis Kokapet with a direct connectivity to the Outer Ring Road corridor. The project offers excellent connectivity to ORR Junction, which is just 5 minutes away. Financial District is just 10 minutes away. Gachibowli is just 15 minutes away. High Tech City is just 20 minutes away. And Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is just approx 30 minutes away via ORR. The location offers smooth connectivity, strong future infrastructure growth, and excellent long-term investment potential. If we talk about the amenities and lifestyle, so the Satwa Lake Ridge offers thoughtfully curated ultra-luxury lifestyle amenities for residents. The project offers waterfront promenade and lake viewing deck, grand multi-level luxury clubhouse, premium indoor recreation and wellness zone, fully equipped gym, and the project is ideal for buyers looking for a resort-style luxury lifestyle with a privacy, open view, and premium high-rise living. Now let's talk about the pricing and configuration. So the 3.5 BHK residence is starting with a carpet area of 2,744 square feet to 5,500 square feet. 4 BHK starting with a carpet area of 4,115 square feet to 5,123 square feet. 5 BHK ultra luxury residences with a carpet area starting from approximately 5,266 square feet to 5,500 square feet, and the price starts from 3.90 crore rupees onwards. The homes here are designed with a spacious layout, premium finishes, private elevator access, and stunning lake-facing view, making Satwa Lake Ridge stand out in Hyderabad's luxury real estate market. If we talk about the booking process, so buyers can select their preferred tower, layout, and floor configuration, and after that the booking form and KYC process are completed, followed by unit allotment and the builder-buyer agreement process. If you are looking for an ultra-luxury waterfront residences or a strong long-term investment opportunity in Hyderabad's premium Neopolis corridor, then Satwa Lake Ridge is definitely worth considering. For brochure, pricing details, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium luxury real estate videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.